Welcome again. Welcome to Cerp TV and welcome to our calculus class. I'm Dr. CPN. In case you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. And when you do, make sure you click on the notification bell so that way you get to know whenever we are dropping a new video. Now we have a problem on the board that says we should evaluate the derivative of the square root of x squared minus 1. So let us begin. You notice that the square root of x squared minus 1 is the same thing as x squared minus 1 all raised to the power half, because square root means the same thing with power half. Now we proceed. We come and say let our u, this is a typical example of what we call a function of a function. A function of a function, and the rule, the differentiation rule to be applied here is the chain rule. So we say let u be equal to this. Let u be equal to x squared minus 1. Then when we differentiate u with respect to x, when you differentiate this, you get 2x. You differentiate minus 1, you get 0. Beautiful. Then our y now becomes equal to, because this is u, so y becomes equal to u to the power 1 over 2, u to the power 1 over 2. Then when we differentiate y with respect to u now, you bring down your half. It simply becomes 1 over 2. Half minus 1 simply gives me minus half. So we have u to the minus half. Beautiful. Now the chain rule states that dy by dx simply becomes equal to dy by du multiplied by du by dx. Beautiful. So what is dy by du? Look at it right here. So this becomes equal to 1 over 2 u to the power minus 1 over 2. That is my dy by du. Then what is du by dx? Du by dx, look at it here. It's simply 2x. So multiply by 2x. Notice that this 2 cancels this 2. So at the end of the day, I simply have u to the minus 1 over 2 multiplied by x. And this simply becomes equal to, what is my u? U was taken to this x squared minus 1. So this simply becomes x squared minus 1, now all raised to the power minus 1 over 2. Now multiplied by this x. Beautiful. So finally, the final answer now becomes x, which is this x here, multiplied by x squared minus 1 raised to the power minus 1 over 2. And this becomes equal to minus 1 over 2 power can come down. So we simply have x divided by x squared minus 1. Now all raised to the power 1 over 2. The power is negative, so when it comes up, it becomes positive. So finally, what becomes our answer? Our answer simply becomes x divided by, this becomes square root. Power half means the same thing as the square root of x squared minus 1. So this becomes our final answer. Thank you so much for tuning in to Cerp TV. Please do well to have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.